How to highlight text in Photoshop. Now first of all, I'll write something. So I'll write, let's say, subscribe. So yeah, I have written this subscribe. Now if I want to highlight this text, what I'll do is I'll basically go to this option, subscribe, and right click this and go to the blending options. Now here I have got multiple options, so you can select anything which do you want, which will perfectly find according to your needs. Now let's say I want to add outer glow. So it is not, let's say I will change the color a little bit. I'll change the background color to maybe yellowish. Okay, so now I'll again go to the blending option, and now we can see the effect. Basically outer glow, multiply, burn, darken. So you can scroll down and see what will find the perfect for you. Drop shadow. So as you can see that it is highlighting my text. My text is now more prominent, you can see here. Another thing that I can do is I can add texture here, contour, stroke, and satin, color overlay. So you can play around with this and find what will perfect for you. So let me show you. This was before and this was after. You can see that now the text is more prominent. So this is how to highlight text in Photoshop in the easiest method.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.